Welcome to a video that's designed to save you time and money by walking you through the step-by-step process of installing your new GV parts and accessories. This is a general overview installation, so it doesn't matter which make or model motorcycle you have, these tips and steps should be exactly what you need for a proper install. Today we're looking at the GV Windshield. Before we get to the specific step-by-step process for this item, we have a couple basic tips that'll set you up for success. Tip 1. Did your GV parts arrive alive, or did you get a smashed-in, bashed-in box that looks like it was run over on the loading dock? If there appears to be any damage, refuse it and send it back to where it came from. Tip 2. Carefully open your new GV parts as if you knew you were going to return them, because mistakes happen and you might have to. Items that are returned in the same manner they were shipped are easily processed for the quickest turnaround and refunds. Tip 3. Once you've carefully opened your package and parts, make sure it's all there. Each part comes with printed instructions. The first page of those printed instructions is a list of everything you'll need to do for this install. So before you get started, make sure you have all the correct items and quantities. The best way to do this is to lay everything out and check it against the parts list. Another benefit to laying everything out is that you have to touch each part. This is a good time to look at each piece and check the threads to make sure none of them are damaged or improperly made. Tip 4. Make sure you have every tool you need before you get started. Page 2 of the instructions shows you which tools you'll need for this project. Depending on the instructions for each part, it may or may not call for a torque wrench, but you'll want to add that to your list of tools. Now, if there's one tip that'll help you avoid a headache, it would be this one. Tip number 5, keep it loose. Hand thread the bolts in just enough to keep them on, but don't tighten them. Keeping it loose will really help when it comes time to put other parts and bolts into place. That's it for our top tips to a successful GV install. Now here's the step-by-step process. Line up your mounting points. Remove pieces of OEM bodywork that prevent you from getting to the OEM windscreen or windscreen mounts. Remove OEM windscreen. Ensure that there are no cracks around the pre-drilled mounting points. Reapply your mounting point covers. Attach your GV windscreen to the OEM mounts. Put bolts in by hand. Wait for all the bolts to be in before you start to tighten. Note: tightening your bolts too tight will crack your windscreen. Reassemble the OEM parts and bodywork. remove GV stickers. Using warm soap and water and a microfiber towel, clean off your new GV windscreen. To dry, use a dry microfiber towel. If you run into any problems with this installation, call us from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 704-679-4123. When you're looking for the absolute best in adventure touring parts and accessories, you'll find it right here at GV USA.